Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Got a nice, beautiful unboxing to bring to you today, guys. Beautiful unboxing. Been waiting on this, I believe it's been about a month now. My payment went through on the 3/27. Ordered it days before that, and just come in the mail this morning. And if you guys haven't been following, if you're new, just popping in on this video, this is the Hillbilly Block 1 Colt M4A1 clone here. I went ahead, and this may look a little different to some of you guys, I went ahead and got the Surefire M952 Kit 1. It's the Kit 1 here. WML there. Sweet light. Oh yeah, got the IR cap there. This rifle was basically done. I should already have it on video shooting it, but so anyways, that's beside the point. Just keep an eye out for this one. This one is going to be on the range very soon. It's a beautiful rifle. Got the Trijicon RCO M4 there, TA31 RCO M4, legit military surplus. Beautiful rifle, but that's not the subject of this video. This is probably in the title. Mk18, Colt Mk18 10.3 upper receiver. As of right now, I have just a Poverty Pony lower here with the SB3 Tactical SB3 brace here. Of course, the gun grabbers got their eyes on these right now, but we have other parts. Scored a 2020 Colt lower receiver here. Going to be doing a tax stamp on this for this project. Got the LMT A2, I guess A2 rear sight there. It's what LMT, kind of hard to find. Brownells has these in stock right now. And we got the Knights Armament muzzle device here. I think you guys know where this is going. I think I'm going to do a Mod 0 clone here. Anyways, guys, let's get to this. Man, I'm stoked about this. From Specialized Armament. If you don't know anything about Specialized Armament, that's Kim, that's my dad's name. Ken Elmore, that's his outfit there. He's a armorer for Colt. They Specialized Armament. If you don't know anything about them, go look them up. And they do good stuff. Not a lot of videos on YouTube. I think I let the cat out of the bag when I done one of my Colt lower receiver videos that I got the Colt lower on this rifle right here. I mentioned Specialized Armament, and I think I may have sold them out of their lowers. Not really sure. But this is not just a factory Colt upper here. It has their classified info here. This has their reliability package. I'm not sure. I need to email them. Nicely packed. I need to email them and get the details on this. I may put that in the description when I get this video posted. I'll go over it in the video when I get this thing all put together and everything. This is just an unboxing of the upper. I'm stoked. Now this comes with the carry handle here. And from my understanding, this is a legit early production Colt Mk18 barrel, 10.3. She's sealed up. We're gonna crack the seal on her. As of right now, oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 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 Got the C stamped upper receiver here. Beautiful. Beautiful F mark front sight there. And this does have the regular old Colt handguards here on it with the heat shield. I'm going to try to find another Knights rail. They're damn near impossible to find right now, so I don't know where I'm going to get one. I'm just going to have to keep scouring the net for it. So anyways, guys, we're going to get up close and personal with this and let you guys really check it out. But man, this is beautiful. So I'm not sure if they, like I said, I'm not sure if they built this upper. I just put it together with Colt parts, or it's a Colt factory upper and they just done a reliability package on it. Now, when I say reliability package, it's kind of a secret of what they do to it. They don't put that info out, and you know, you gotta respect that. That's their thing. They've been doing this stuff since 1990. They're highly respected, and I wanted one of their uppers. That's why I got this. I mean, yeah, I could have probably found a Colt factory upper like this, or a Mk18 upper, but I wanted one from them, so I got one of their lowers there. So beautiful. So we're going. When you buy the upper, and then you have to buy the bolt carrier group, and it comes with a charging handle. So it's a Colt bolt carrier group in here too. So let's get up close and personal with this and let you guys check it out. Enough of this yakking and stuff. So okay, here we are up close and personal with this beautiful piece right here. What a what a beautiful piece of work here. I guess what we'll do is we'll just take a look around her here and let you guys check it out. Now, it doesn't have the side sling loop there. I'll have to do that. The regular A2 bird cage there. F marked front sight. And her bayonet lug there. There you go. Nice and lubed up there. As you can see, that's very close to the LMT there. Oh, it's backwards. There we go. Pretty cool. Let's pull this bolt carrier out of here. Very nice, very nice. We may pop that handguard off there too. First, let's take a look at the bolt carrier group here. There's our C there on the carrier. Nice staked key there. I tell you what, I've not seen a key staked like that. I mean, that's a nice stake job there. I don't think it gets much better than that. So let's go ahead and take her completely down here. Firing pin retainer pin. There's your firing pin. Take your cam pin out here. Got the green spring there. She's brand new. Don't believe that's ever been fired. Looks like it's been, you can see where they've put the no-go gauge on it. There we go. Brand spanking new. What a beautiful piece, guys. There's a chrome lined carrier there. Chrome lined key. Just as it should be. Full auto bolt carrier. There's our Colt C there. So let's throw her back together here. There's their gas rings. You guys will see the very first rounds fired from this beautiful piece here. Come on now, there we go. I always love fighting the firing pin retainer pin. There we go. She's in there. In there like swimwear. Yeah, that's tight. There it goes. Very tight. Very tight, grasshopper. Now, let's see if we can get these hand guards off. Sometimes these things come off easy. Sometimes they come off like a nightmare. So, we shall see here. What a beautiful piece here, guys. Just a beauty. I am stoked about this. Oh yeah, those are on there. There we go. Got the top off there. That's what we need there. So there's our markings on the barrel there. CMP 5569801 and 7 twists. Now this is the M4 profile, which is correct for the Mark 18. Very nice, very nice. Now, like I said, this is supposedly an early production. I don't see the stamp on the, they usually have a stamp on the maker of the barrel there. Usually, I'm not seeing it. Now guys, the reason the SOF went to the M4A1 profile, which is pretty much straight across here, is when they train, they lay down the suppressing fire. They were having issues with the barrels blowing out right here because they just dumping mag after mag, full auto, and these barrels will give about right here. They'll blow out right here. You know, if you're laying down mag after mag and then you put the gun down or the rifle down, you lose the heat treat out of the barrel. Then next time you pick it up, you have an unheat treated barrel there, and then you start firing again, you're going to blow that barrel out. Right there is usually where they blow out. And then they developed the M4A1 profile there, the SOCOM profile I should say, and that's just pretty much all the way across there. It's much heavier profile, and that's what this one right here is. I'm not going to take that handguard off, but as you can see, it just goes straight across in there. So that's a heavy barrel right there. This is a beauty right here, guys. I love this rifle. Anyways, more to come on that one. More to come on all of these, guys. Definitely gonna have to get a nice armament rail for this. I wanted to go with a block 2 and put the Daniel Defense Riz rail on here, but I'm old school. I love the old school stuff, and that Mod 0 is just sweet. And this is, I guess we'll go ahead and throw that rear side on there and let you take a look at it. There's the rear side there. Let me throw the handguards back on here for a second. Boom. Now, there's the look of it right there with the Mod 0 look. Throw her on the Poverty Pony here. This is what she'll be riding on. I haven't put the safety selector in there yet. A little wiggle there, not much. What a beautiful piece. Love it. I love it. This is a bit of a dream rifle for me here. I've always wanted the Mk18, in love with it. Didn't want to go with the Daniel Defense. I wanted to go with the legit stuff. So here we are. What a beauty. We'll definitely be throwing this on there. It's cut for the suppressor there. Oh, I didn't put the bolt carrier group back in it. Very nice, very nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. That's been this unboxing here, another one in the history books. If you're new to the channel, guys, sub up to the channel, click that bell. Stay tuned for more videos on these two rifles right here. Definitely got to get the block 1 out to the range, and we're still working on this one, but it'll probably be to the range as well. Can't wait to test fire this, and she should definitely be reliable. Got the Specialized Armament reliability package on her. I think it's a cool piece, just a piece of history there, you know. Ken Elmore, he's worked with Colt all those years, and go check those guys out over at Specialized Armament. Tell them Hillbilly sent you. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. See you guys.